Have an American Express gift card and wondering if you can use it on Apple? Here's what you need to know. First, the bad news. You cannot directly add an American Express gift card to your Apple Wallet or Apple Pay. Unlike a regular credit card, gift cards operate differently. They are prepaid with a finite balance and don't have the persistent account features Apple Wallet needs. But here is the good news. There are several ways you can still use your American Express gift card for Apple purchases. Method 1. Use it directly online, when shopping through any online store that accepts Apple Pay. At checkout, select Apple Pay and choose Add a new card. Manually enter your Amex gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. This allows you to pay using the gift card for that transaction. Method 2. Buy an Apple gift card. Go to a retailer that accepts American Express like Walmart or Target. Use your Amex gift card to purchase an Apple gift card. Then redeem that Apple gift card into your Apple account balance. Once the balance is added, you can use it for anything on the App Store, Apple Music, iCloud, and more. Method 3. In-store purchases. If the merchant accepts American Express, you can swipe or dip your physical Amex gift card at checkout. Just keep in mind some stores may decline prepaid cards, especially for Apple purchases. A few important tips. Always track your remaining balance. Apple will not do this for you. Make sure the billing address you enter matches the zip code you used to register your gift card. And if a transaction is declined, try a smaller amount or use a different method. That is how to use an American Express gift card on Apple. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tips.